What's up? What's up? What's up? You won't believe it. I've been live. So I've just shared it. I've shared the screen with my community. So come up, guys. Come up, guys. Let's do some TA. Okay. What's up, guys? What up? What up? What up? Good morning, guys. Welcome to another week. Yeah, it's gonna be a powerful week, guys. It's gonna be a powerful week. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe. Do not just like the live, and tell me in the comment section where you are streaming from. Okay, tell me where you're streaming from. Cameroon, Nigeria, um, UK, Italy, wherever. Just tell me where you're streaming from. Tell me in the comment section where you're streaming from. We're about to do technical analysis, okay? We're about to check what we should be expecting today. Maybe we are taking a trade very soon. So before we get to that, just tell me where you're streaming from in the comment section. Okay? Tell me where you're streaming from. And for psychology tips, I'll still tell you a little about what I would do if I had to start trading again from zero. All right, if I had to start trading with zero funds, just let's say $100. Okay, I'll tell you exactly what I would do if I had to start trading with just $100. But before that, tell me in the comment section where are you streaming from, and do not forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel. Okay, so that when next I'm on a live session, you can get notified. Okay, and get notified. Okay, so if I had to start trading all over again from zero, like zero crash, what would I do? Let's say I had just $100. What would I do? Whoa, I'll say that after we've done technical analysis. So let's go straight to our chart and see exactly what the market is doing today and what we should be expecting this week, okay? Because that's exactly why we are here. That's exactly why we are here. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, for those who are joining us for the very first time. And also do not forget to tell me in the comment section where you are watching me from, where you're streaming from. Okay, so we go straight to the daily because we did our down from the weekly last week. Okay, we did it on weekend. So when you look at the daily time frame, you'll notice that we've been creating lower highs and lower lows. Okay, we've been on the downtrend, very stiff one. Okay, we've had a very stiff downtrend, and when you have a downtrend like this, at times it gets scary because price doesn't give you enough room. Okay, let's just draw a trend line across. Okay, so we make sure it touched a lot of points. Good. So when you have something like this, it's really very, very stiff to the point where price doesn't give you enough breathing room. Like price just gives you a little pullback, continue, little pullback, continue. This is a tricky. At this point, you realize that the last break of structure we had down here, the last break of structure we had down here, sacred tough, okay, something like that, sacred So, Office Island, I don't know, watching all the way from Yaoundé. Bonjour from Yaoundé. Bonjour. Nice to have you here, guys. Okay. So we had this break of structure, okay, and we got a little pullback which tapped on our trend line, okay. If we were following a trend line, it tapped on this zone, and what happened? We had a move to the downside, and this move, you realize that price has created a very strong support level down here on the daily, 4 hours, and all the lower time frames, okay. This is a very strong support level, and what happened when price pulled back? Instead of breaking this low, price rather gave us a higher low, which is making it a little scary. Okay, it's making it a little scary. Reason being that we have an untapped zone up here on the daily time frame. Look at it closely. This is a fair value gap for those who trade fair value gaps. You see that price abandoned. What the fuck is happening? Okay, price abandoned this gap without filling it, okay, and we've been having continuous downward trend, continuous downtrend without filling this zone. And now if you have to use a Fibonacci on the overall market structure, okay, because if you look at it from the external trend perspective, you realize that, okay, this is the last swing low that we had, okay, and this was the last swing high, and after this swing high we had a change of character. This is the major change of character. Let me use this tool. Okay, this is the major change of character we had, and after this change of character, for those who know how to use Fibonacci, okay, if you don't know, just comment in the just drop in the comment section, I don't know. Okay, so you take your Fibonacci from the lows, from the highs to the lows, and you realize that that fair value gap is on the 60% retracement level. Okay, 61.8% retracement level, which is a golden zone. All right, which is a golden zone, and price did not get there. Price has not gotten there. So there's a possibility that if price breaks above this high on the 20 negative 20 on the 23.6 level, there's a higher possibility or higher probability, sorry, that price will tap into this our fair value gap. All right, because that's in a premium zone, and then we'll continue the sales because this will be the first major pullback we are having. Okay, but as of now, we are still very bearish because we are not trying to catch a falling knife. Okay, we are not trying to catch a falling knife, so we are still very bearish. So we'll go down now to the 4 hours so that we should see exactly what the 4 hours is telling us. Okay, after this analysis, I'm going to tell you guys exactly how you can start your trading at this point with just $100 and still be very, very successful in trading. Okay, with just $100. So you shouldn't think you need millions to get started. Oh, and that $10 that you are putting in your account always to trade, I don't recommend it. I don't support it. Okay, I just did a video yesterday on how I traded a $2 account. Actually, it's a $4 account. I traded the account and had 21 losses. How is that possible? A lot of you ask. Yes, I made a lot of profits. I took about 28 trades and I lost 21 out of 28. It means I had just 7 wins. And those 7 wins actually gave me more than 3 times. I've withdrawn 3 times my capital plus extra 2.5 times the capital left as backup in the account. That I did that test just to test a strategy I've been teaching lately. Okay, I had to go down to the least. I deposited $2 and I flipped after I added the money, and that's how I started growing the account, respecting a simple risk management strategy I've been teaching lately. So for those who also want to learn it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I drop videos related to that. Okay, I drop videos here back to back. So subscribe to the channel so that you get that. So now, like I said, we are bearish. Generally, we are bearish. Even though there is a possibility for us to pull back to this zone, it will still be bearish on the weekly, bearish on the 4 hours, on the daily, or even on the monthly. So if we have a pullback all the way up here, it's in our favor because at least we'll be able to sell from here all the way down to the next key level. But as of now, what are we expecting for today? We are looking forward that price should at least pull up to this key level, okay? Because I consider this a key level. Price should pull up to this level and give us a sell confirmation, okay? And once we have a sell confirmation, we'll be targeting the next key level down here, okay? That's exactly what we are looking for today or early this week. But now there's a possibility that price can come and break above. If price breaks above, it's a win for us, okay? We'll just get stopped out. And for those who have been following the risk management strategy, they'll risk just 2% of their capital. If you have just $100, you risk just $2. And if it breaks above this zone, it's cool. You now wait for a pullback, okay? You wait for a pullback for you to continue the buys. So that's how easy we can flip everything. It will still be in our favor. So tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? And are you a beginner trader? Do you already trade? Are you still trying to get started? Whatsoever, just tell me in the comment section, okay? So this is GBP USD we are analyzing, okay? This is GBP USD and we are on the 4 hours time frame, okay? We're on the 4 hours time frame. So like I said, this is what I'm expecting on GBP USD. A pull back to this key level, okay? And then I continue the sales to the downside. That's exactly what I'm anticipating for today. But before we sell, we don't have that if you follow me, will I go broke? I don't get the point. All right. Okay. Say America. The name is America God's Time. Okay. I won't go broke, bro. But I love it when you follow me, at least. So what I'm saying is we are looking forward to get price to this zone. Once we catch price at this zone, we don't just enter randomly, okay? We have to wait for a perfect confirmation. What's a confirmation? The first thing is we will be trading on the 1 hour time frame. We get our confirmations on the 1 hour time frame. If you want to know this strategy I'm talking about, just go back, watch the video I dropped on this channel on key levels, okay? How to trade key levels, and you understand, all right? So what I'm looking forward to do is, if price gives us a bullish candle, comes above here and closes above, then we'll keep watching. We will not do anything. But if the candlestick comes up but ends up closing below, oh, that's a good signal. We then wait for the next candlestick to open and maybe come back to the zone, and then we sell. Okay, so that's exactly what we'll be looking for. So I've given you my analysis, and I've also told you the simple strategy, the confirmation you should be expecting. Okay, that's it. Okay, Secret. I'll just call you Secret. Okay, no problem. Just don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And what do we do? Let's say if you want to get in touch with me, the links to my free Telegram community and even my WhatsApp number are in the description section of this video, but I don't think you'll be able to see it now until the live stream is over. But you can just go to my channel. You see so many videos on my channel where you can just click on the link in the description section. All right, Americans God's Time. You say, if I start trading with you now, will I go broke? It's possible you can go broke. It's very possible. Okay, it's possible you go broke. You can go broke if you don't follow the the risk management. Okay, it's very possible. So many people have gone broke because of trading. So if you don't acquire the right knowledge, you will go broke. But if you are following my guidance, I don't think you'll go broke. How will you go broke? Personally, am I broke? I'm not broke. I'm helping guys to make money. So how will you follow me and go broke? All right. So that's it. That's exactly what we are seeing on GBP USD. So let me see if I can put my contact here on the screen. Plus 23765189956. Okay, so that's my WhatsApp. Oh, okay. No problem. Awesome. Let's get it going, guys. So this is what we're expecting on GBP USD. So you don't place a pending order. We don't have to place any pending order. What do? We just have to wait and get a confirmation before we sell. Have to wait, get a confirmation. And how many pips will be risking? Just 20 pips, nothing more than 20 pips. So 20 pips is actually 2% of a $100 account. Okay. So if we are targeting the next key level down, this will give us a 1:10. But if you are targeting just this key level, this is a 1:5. Okay. So this is the setup we are anticipating for. That is it. So, like I said, if I had to start trading all again, okay, let's say I have just $100 to start my trading journey. Now the question is, how will I go about it? How will I go about it? So America God's time. Can you tell me where you're streaming from? Tell me exactly where you're streaming from. Guys, welcome to the channel, okay? Thanks for joining our live stream. And if you are joining us for the very first time, don't forget to show some love by subscribing, okay? So don't forget to show some love by subscribing. And also like the video, guys. Let's get it going. Like the video, the live stream, like the stream, so that we can maybe reach more people. Okay, so we just did analysis on GBP USD, and we are looking forward to catch us. She just shared me her screenshot. She caught this buy here. Personally, I did not see the buy, but she had the right to catch it because you see, this is a support level. You see, price tapped here, tapped here, tapped here, tapped here. The third time she caught it on this engulfing candlestick, pulling it all the way up to 1.32500. So that's where her TP was. She made over 50 pips. Okay, so 50 pips. If she risk, let's say she has $100 account, then this should be over. If she risks just $2, she has made $5. So it's not small money. If she risks $10, she has made $50. She has made let's say if she risks $20, she must have made $50. If she risks $200, she must have made over $500. So that's exactly what it is. And now we are looking forward to maybe catch a setup here. And for those who have $100 accounts, you should be prepared to risk just $2, okay? Because this is 20 pips and you should not risk more than 2% of your capital. All right. So let me tell you exactly what I would do if I had to start all over again for someone like Secret, who is about to start trading. Okay. So get $100, get a brokerage account. Okay. Personally, I trade with Octa FX. Okay, so you can use the link in the description to create your account. Now, big bankers. What am I trading? Okay, this is GBP USD. Okay, this is GBP USD. We are waiting for price to pull up to this zone. Then we get a confirmation. Then we know if we are selling or we are just. So I'm from Cameroon, but I'm in your country. I'm currently in Nigeria, so I'm in Abuja. Okay, so I will want to connect with you if it's okay by you. Okay, if you want to connect with me, no problem. That's my WhatsApp number. You can always reach out. All right. So, like I was saying, if I have to start trading all over again with just $100, there are four things I would do. The first thing I would do is focus more on one simple strategy, not two, not three, not five, not 10 strategies. I'll focus on one simple strategy. Okay? I'll focus on one simple strategy. And I will not stress myself trying to master ICT, SMC, CRT, everything at the same time. If you want ICT, focus on ICT. If you want SMC, focus on SMC. All right. If you want CRT, focus on CRT. Any strategy you want to, just choose the strategy and focus on it, because all strategies do work. What differs is the person executing, the person using the strategy. Okay. So for those who are joining us for the very first time, you are welcome. Thanks for joining my live stream. We are currently trading GBP USD. So we are looking forward to catch a buy. Okay. Sorry, a sell. So as of now, we don't have anything to do. We just watch until we get a sell confirmation before we can sell. We don't just sell randomly. We don't have any pending order there. We are watching to see how price will react around our zone. Okay, how price will react around our zone. So we are about 50 pips away from our zone. And for those trading key levels, right, we are around our mid level. We are around our mid level. You see, price just closed above our key level. So if we were in an uptrend, what do? We'll just buy from here. If we were in an uptrend. But now, since we don't counter trend, we have to wait. Okay? So let's watch this together, how it will go. Okay? It's 20 pips. So what are we targeting? The next key level, giving us a 1:2.5. Okay? Let me move this man and we all watch. The thing is, now that it's going up, like the trend is still very bearish. Okay, so we cannot be buying in a downtrend. That's why we are not in this trade. But honestly, price has a high probability to continue because of what? Price has closed above our key level. For those who trade the key level strategy, this is very simple. You will see how it will go simple, as I've taught you guys. Okay, but now, are we in a downtrend? Are we in an uptrend? No. Okay, are we in an uptrend? No. So it's better you die following the trend than to try to catch a falling knife. Okay, that's why we are not buying. That's why we are not buying now. We just need to watch it as it comes to our zone. And if we get a confirmation, then we sell. But if we don't get a confirmation, if price comes and maybe closes above here, we watch price break above this level, 1.33500. Then we get a pullback, and then we know that we are now fully in an uptrend because price has changed character. Okay, because this is the major high. This is the major high. And if price takes out this high, that's when we know, whoa, the trend has changed on the 1 hour major structure. Okay, trend has changed, and at that point we can start buying, targeting what will be our target? This daily fair value gap. Okay, this daily fair value gap, this will be our target. And once price gets to this zone, we stop buying and watch how price will react around that zone. Okay, so as of now, we just watch. But this is a good buy. Personally, I'm tempted, but I will not. Okay, I will not, because I don't like to trade counter trend. All right, American God's time, no problem. I'll be there to answer you on WhatsApp. Okay, I'll reply to my messages. I just got your message. Don't bother. After the live stream, I'll chat you up. And for those who are interested in maybe starting their forex journey, I think now is the best time, because my academy is open. All right, we are open to help people, and we have a free community where you can trade for free. Like, we give you free signals, we guide you on where to put your stop loss, where to put your take profit. As a complete beginner, you can just follow that and be making money without even learning how to trade. So it's also something you can try. Okay, so if you want to relate with me, don't forget, this is my WhatsApp number. And for those who are just joining us, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. American God's time, I just got your message. Don't bother. You were asking if you go broke. No, you won't go broke if you follow the rules. Okay, you won't go broke. So guys, like I said, the first thing I would do if I had to start trading all over again is I will focus on one simple strategy. I won't make it complicated. Leonard, welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, awesome. If you want to learn from me, that's my WhatsApp number on the screen, so you can actually connect with me on WhatsApp. So tell me, Leonard, where are you streaming from? Where are you streaming from? And for those who might not want to connect with me personally, you must not connect with me. Just subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of videos here, a whole lot of content that will guide you in your trading journey. All right. The only difference between a YouTube channel or YouTube learning and having a one-on-one mentor is the fact that your mentor will be able to identify your roadblocks. Maybe when you are studying, or maybe when you're applying what you've learned, and maybe you face a challenge, you have someone to run to. You have someone to help you out. You have someone to guide you and tell you, oh, don't do this. This is how it is done. This is how it is done. Apart from that, you can learn everything on YouTube. And then in a mentorship program, like for me, I have a course, I have a structured system where you can take 90 days, that's 3 months, to become profitable if you follow every rule. The thing is, it will be difficult for you to get profitable because you don't yet have the mindset. Wow. All right. Nice to have you all the way from Namibia. Do not forget to contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, that's my WhatsApp number, +237 651 899 562. Okay, so you don't yet have the mindset, and that mindset only comes after practice. All right, in the process of doing it. That's why I said you have a 9-month program, and then you have a lifetime mentorship, because you have access to me whenever you face a challenge. If not me, part of my team, because I have other tutors in the team who will guide you in case I'm not active, because there are times to when I go on monk mode to work on myself and I might not be active to reply messages. So my team is also there to help you. I have traders who have followed the 90 days program. The reason why I even made the 90 days program is because of the testimonies I've had, okay, from other students who have followed my 90 days program. And I said, oh, if this thing really works, then let me structure it. And that's how I structured it. And a couple of students have been making it big through it. All right. Like I told you guys earlier, one of my students bought from here and she has already made profits all the way to this key level. And now she's out of the market. We are still struggling to maybe cash an entry. Meanwhile, she has already made her money. Okay. So I have both guys, ladies in my academy who study and they're making it big in the market. So, like I said, if I had to start trading all over again, the first thing I would do is focus on one simple strategy. If you want SMC, focus on SMC. If you want pure price action, focus on pure price action, support, resistance, maybe key levels like I have here, because price action, and maybe trend line, stuff like that. Okay. Then, if you also want to do ICT, focus on ICT. If you want to do CRT, focus on CRT. Just one strategy. If you want, you can choose one pair. You see, since you came, we've been analyzing one pair. Let me show you my watch list. I have just one pair on my watch list. I added USDJPY because one of my students wanted us to do analysis for her. Okay, and this is the analysis we did the other day, and it's still playing out in massive profits. Okay, so that's how simple trading should be. Then I also have DXY. DXY is dollar index. This dollar index actually helps us to know the direction of the US dollar, so that when taking a trade on other pairs, you know exactly what's happening. Okay, so I use DXY. Like if I'm selling dollar, then I should be buying pounds, because GBP USD is dollar and pounds. Okay, so if I'm selling pounds, I should be buying dollar. That's how easy it is. Okay, you see, like right now we are in a massive crash. My student, she's already making crazy money from this pair. Okay, I don't trade this. I trade only GBP USD. Okay, I don't trade USD JPY. This is USD JPY. I don't trade it. I trade only GBP USD. But I can analyze any pair for you, any pair you want. We can do analysis on it, and if you want to trade, you trade it. Okay. At times we even share signals on other pairs, but personally, I work only on GBP USD. All right. So guys, for those just joining us now, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to show some love by also liking this stream. You can share with a couple of friends so that they too can join and learn a little. Okay, we do this always, and for some time now, we will, like, I think for the whole of this month, we'll be having live streams like this every morning to help you guys build the skills, to help you guys build confidence, understand how this thing really works. Okay, and for those who want to maybe start trading with me, like I said, the academy is open for you guys. You can join us. Then my WhatsApp number is somewhere on the screen. Good. So that's my WhatsApp number. You can always reach out. You can contact me on WhatsApp and tell me exactly. Just let me know you got me you got my number on the live stream, and you want to start trading, and I will tell you everything you need. Okay, if you don't have money, we have the free section. If you want the complete course and have access to the mentorship program, you can also have it. Okay, so after mastering the strategy I spoke about, I will focus on another thing, which is risking not more than 2% of my trading capital per trade, giving myself 50 opportunities in the market. Because no matter how smart you are, no matter how good you become in trading, there is still a possibility for you to take losses. Okay, there is still a possibility for you to hit stop loss. Like I was telling you guys earlier, that I took a small account testing a risk management strategy I just created, and that risk management strategy tells me to the law is don't risk more than 20 pips. It's on GBP USD. Don't risk more than 20 pips. So I deposited a $2 account. I pushed the account to somewhere around $8. Excuse me, that was $9. I withdrew $7 from the account. The video is here on YouTube. You can watch the video. Okay, it's on my channel. I withdrew $7 from the account, and I traded the account. It's like I took a loss and I blew the account, so I had to add $2, making it $4 deposit. Now I have, like on the video you see, we made over three times. We withdrew over 3 times the account, and currently we are up about 2 times the account in capital. Okay, 2 times the account of capital. So, and we took about 28 trades. Imagine, out of 28 trades, I lost 21 trades, which means I made only 7 trades. Okay, that's why I'm talking about risk management. When you have a good risk management strategy, now you don't need to have a 100% win rate to be successful. Like for example, this is a 1:5 setup. All right, imagine if excuse me, you take a loss here, you'll be losing just $2. If you have a $100 account and you decide to risk just 2% of your account, so you're risking $2 to make how much? $10. Okay, which means if you have 2 positive trades, 1:5, 1:5, that's $20. And for you now to go back to break even, you need to lose over 10 trades. So that's why risk management is a factor you don't play with as a trader. So like I said, I will focus on risk management and make sure I don't risk more than 2% of my capital if I have to start all over again, all right, with just $100. That's what I will do. I'll focus on one strategy and make sure I focus on risk management and don't risk more than 2% of my capital. And the third thing I will do is I will stay consistent. Okay, I will stay consistent. I will keep on doing the same thing over and over again. I will not change. Like today, I risk $3, tomorrow I risk $4, after tomorrow I risk $1, depending on setup. No, I will stay consistent with the risk, with the setups. I'll make sure I focus only on the same kind of setups. Okay, if I'm targeting 1:5s, like what we are targeting here, if we get a confirmation, if I'm targeting 1:5s, then I'll focus only on those 1:5 setups. If I'm targeting 1:2.5, like what we are currently in, okay, I'll focus only on 1:2.5s, okay, so that I can be able to track my journey. I can build confidence. Okay, so that's the third thing I will do. And now the final thing I will do is I will journal all my trades. I will write down my trades. I will take screenshots of every setup I get. And those screenshots, I will keep them and also write below the screenshots everything, how I felt when I was in the trade and how it reacted, the before and after results. So that's exactly how I'll go about it. Okay, that's exactly how I'll go about it. So I've given you guys a complete book as I've been talking. This is a complete book, a complete guide on how to start your trading with just $100 as a complete beginner. Okay, like I said, if I had to go back, that's exactly what I would do. That's exactly what I would do. How I wish I knew this when I started my trading journey. It would have been so easy. I would not take up to 6 months to become profitable because I would spend at least 3 months to learn a strategy. I spent at least 1 month to work on my risk management. Now I know that the rest is just for psychology to get used to. So guys, this is exactly how you should work out your journey. All right. And for those joining us, you are welcome. You're welcome. We are currently on GBP USD. And if you want to connect with me, my WhatsApp number is on the screen. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And maybe if you're a beginner, just tell me in the comment section, I'm a beginner. And if you want to start trading, like you want to start trading while learning, also comment, I want to start trading, or maybe even just take my WhatsApp number and you hit me up on WhatsApp. Okay. That'll be great and awesome. So that's it, guys. We are looking forward to sell GBP USD at 1.3300. So we are looking forward for price to pull up to that zone. We are about 50 pips away from there. So when we get there, we'll wait and see if price will give us a confirmation to start selling or it will break through the zone. Okay, so we don't force it. We just watch and see how it reacts before we take action. All right, guys, don't forget, just show some love by liking this stream. Like the stream, guys. Just click on the like button. It will not hurt you. It will not break your finger. It won't kill you. Click on the subscribe button too. It won't kill you. It won't break your finger. It won't kill your data. It won't consume any extra effort. It's just a click, guys. It's just a click. Tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Tell me exactly where you are streaming from, guys. Let me know the people I'm with. Where are you streaming from? Are you subscribed to the channel? Are you subscribed to the channel? So let's get it going. For those trading USD JPY, this is your setup. Okay, Gaza, Gazal James. No problem. Contact me on WhatsApp and I will break everything down for you. Okay. YouTube alone will not be enough for you to get to the point where you want to get to. Okay. Trading is something that can actually go a long way to help you. Trading can go a long way to help you. So just write the WhatsApp number, contact me on WhatsApp, and I'll guide you. Where are you streaming from? Gaza, where are you streaming from? So, guys, tell me in the comment section where you're streaming from. C stands for Cameroon. Oh, cool. Okay. Wow. Okay. Nice to meet you. You're my bro. I'm also from Cameroon, but currently in Abuja. So I'm streaming all the way from Abuja. So we get it going. Contact me on WhatsApp and I'll tell you exactly what to do. So the number is 651899562. So guys, for those who are not yet subscribed to the channel, do not forget to click on the subscribe button. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification that whenever I'm live, you receive notifications. Whenever I drop a video, you receive notifications. It will go a long way to help you. This channel has a lot of free contents that can guide you in your trading journey. How to start, even how to use MetaTrader 5. I have videos on that. How to create an account on a broker, how to link your brokerage account to MetaTrader. I've done all those videos. How to maybe spot market direction trends, how to do technical analysis, how to do top-down analysis. I have videos on this channel guiding you. I have over 400 plus videos for you guys. Okay. So I even have some flipping videos where I turn $100, $10 to this amount. Okay. So you can always work to keep being motivated. Yeah. So that's it, guys. That's it. Let's get it going. So on GBP USD, let's see how far it has gone. Okay, so we are still waiting. Just need to keep watching and waiting. For those joining us for the very first time, subscribing will not break your finger. Okay, subscribe to the channel. And even those who are here, liking will not also hurt you. Okay, let's see. Let's try to change the color of this and put something better. Which color is better? Let's see, green. Let's see, black. Yeah, I prefer black. Yeah. So liking this live stream will not break your thumb. Just click on the like button. Okay. Click on it. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So if you have questions related to trading, now is the best time for you to ask. Okay. I'm here with you and I'm here for you. So ask your questions. I go by the name FelloF. Say, hey, FelloF, I have this challenge. How can I resolve it? Is it greed? Is it fear? Just tell me. For those who are already trading and they find it difficult, tell me. Are you facing fear? Are you facing greed, uncertainty, or fear of uncertainty? Tell me exactly what's going on. What's your major challenge? Okay. I'm here to guide you. I'm here to help you. So I'm waiting. Drop your questions in the comment section. So at this point, we just have to keep watching and see how it goes. All right, guys, it's been a great stream with you guys. I think we've finally come to the end of it, and maybe we'll have another during the New York session. Okay, see you guys.